Alright, so we just received our delivery of a wireless doorbell. Good thing about this set is it actually has two receivers that you plug into a mains socket. So if you have one of these upstairs, one of these downstairs, you can hear the doorbell wherever you are, because that's the problem we had with a previous one, is no matter how many times somebody pressed the doorbell, we couldn't hear the door very well, because when we were upstairs it was plugged in downstairs, but if we plugged it in upstairs then we couldn't hear it downstairs. So this one has wireless pairing, energy saving, 1,000 feet range, blimey. It's splash proof, 52 ringtones, 4 volume levels, and works at a very extreme temperature range there. I'm just going to have a quick look on the back here, see if there's anything particularly exciting. Let's have a look. Forgive the undignified unboxing, but I am holding the mobile phone in one hand, of course. Right, okay, instruction manual. The two receivers, as I say. Just having a look around, see what they look like, if there's any buttons or anything on them. Obviously you plug those in. Give the lack of focus there by the mobile. There appear to be any buttons on the outside either. So inside here we actually have the doorbell itself, which is here. A nice clicky button. And obviously just putting two and two together, that took me a while. That's what this is for, is to stick that to your door, or you can use screws. And very kindly they've issued that as well. Now I'm beginning to think that's not so much for the mounting, but more for the getting into whatever we've got to get into. So I think I'm going to have to grit my teeth here and possibly have to read the manual. Okay, well, I was just having a look about taking off this battery pull, and there doesn't seem to be anything particularly difficult about it. You just pull the back off, which then exposes this, and then I'm hoping that I just pull this out. There we go, that came out quite nicely. Now just before we get going, I didn't notice this, but on the side is a volume control and a tune button. So where I'm going to mount this, you'd be wondering what I'm pushing otherwise. So it should be preset at ding dong if this is going to work correctly, or if I've indeed got it on. I suppose we should, there we go. I wonder how long you could live with these before they got irritating, some of them. Absolutely no idea how many I've done now. I'm guessing we might have gone all the way around. I think you get the idea anyway.